Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So if you have your sun, moon, rising, or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Cancer, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Page of Pentacles. A lot of you uh, are either waiting, so Cancerians rising, or whatever wherever your placement is. I think you guys have been single for a little bit and you guys are looking forward to things coming into your life. So a lot of this time has been spent on improving yourself, or exploring hobbies, or just keeping yourself busy because you don't know what is coming ahead and you kind of want to be prepared for whoever comes in your life next. The next card that I have for you guys is the Four of Wands, and I do see in the couple of months I do see some kind of stability coming into your life. There are also chances, if I have to kind of limit it to this month, there are also chances you are going to be buying something for your house, that's for sure. Or you and your person, if you have a person, you are going to get an opportunity to have a heart to heart with them. And this person that you are dealing with, they are here for a reason. They are here to tell you something. They are here to connect with you, so both can learn a lesson. So this is the 1111 card. A lot of times people relate it to the soulmate card or the twin flame card. So for some of you, there is a possibility that you are dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame, or your karmic connection, whatever you want to call it. So that is definitely happening. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Temperance card. Now, in terms of the zodiac, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, you could be dealing with Aries, you could be dealing with somebody who's a Leo. The other people, you could be dealing with Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You could be dealing with these people. And the Temperance card here is telling me that, if you have been in a situation where you guys have not been talking, there has been no communication, or you are going through this period of separation, it does seem like you are going to get healed. You are going to find yourself back. From a relationship perspective, this is a very very good card to get, because this is basically telling you that there is going to be a balance. You are going to temper down to a level where you are able to understand each other very very well. Now for single, what's going to happen is you guys are going to get out of your comfort zone. You guys are going to explore. So maybe you are going to deal with somebody, or you're going to hang out with somebody who's a little not your usual type, but you are still giving it a try, because there's no harm trying. So you're trying to balance things out in your life, because you have spent a lot of time alone, and you do feel like you want to move ahead, you want to do something else in your life. The next card that I have for you guys is the Nine of Swords. So moving forward, I think something is definitely going to happen in your life that is going to give you a little bit of stress. It could be stress, or it could be that you do not get enough sleep, because while trying to get out of your comfort zone with this new guy, you might be staying up at night, talking to this person, texting this person, or sexting this person. Take it the way you want, but I do see a lot of late nights and not being able to sleep at night in regards to your love life. For all the couples, there are chances, despite things coming to this point, it is going to take a while, before you finally heal everything. And during that process of healing, you are going to be a little stressed. You would want things to move very quickly, and that is not going to happen, and that is going to put you in a spot where you're like, oh my god, why? The next card I have for you is the Five of Pentacles. Now, Five of Pentacles here is talking about you sitting alone and you trying to figure out what it is, and you want somebody to help you out. Like, you are hoping for things to get better, you want things to get better, you want things to move to the next level, so you can finally come up with an idea, with a plan as to where you're going to go next in your love life. At the bottom of the deck I have the Nine of Wands, which is telling me, for some of you guys, this is how I'm going to divide this for you so it makes it easier. Some of you you've gone through a bad phase in your relationship, and you have lost your trust, and which is why the card of healing is here. But before you can completely heal, you have to be broken down completely, because only then you realize that what you have and what you don't have. And these two cards, especially the Nine of Swords card and the Five of Pentacles, both of them are representing transformation. Some kind of change is happening, and what you are doing from your end is you're trying to resist the change. Despite you wanting to move forward, you asking for help, I do not think you are getting the kind of help you deserve. So it is also a possibility for many of Cancer signs that this month there might be a lot of work, and you might not be able to give adequate, or you may not be able to give like that balance to your love or the personal life that it requires. Because the Nine of Wands cards here is that you've been through it all, you are tired, you just don't know when this thing, or when this rut, or this particular situation that you are in is going to stop. But the start of the month is going to be pretty good. I think you are going to get some kind of happiness, or you are going to have like some kind of peace. Yeah, that's definitely there. Let's see what other messages I am getting for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Judgment card. See, karmic connection. Told you, some karmic connection, soulmate connection definitely is going on. And because it is all these connections, that is why there is a uh, lot of sadness, or a lot of crying related to this. And with the Judgment card showing up, I think your intuition is pretty strong. You already know where this relationship is going, or how this relationship is going to end, or which way it is going to go. It is just that maybe you're not ready to accept it, you're not ready to open your eyes to the fact. The next card I have for you is the Seven of Pentacles. That I do feel like despite whatever is going on, you guys are not going to give up hope. You are going to keep trying, you are going to stay focused, and you will try to give your best to this situationship, or to this relationship. For singles, you are going to bump into a couple of people, but I do feel you are looking for that instant connection with someone. I don't feel like you are going to get that instant connection so soon. If you have a person in mind, I do feel like you are going to think about them a lot, but I don't see things moving forward, because the Seven of Pentacles card is here, which tells you to put in more efforts. And then you have the Devil card. So for a lot of you, you are going to undergo this period where you feel like this person, you have been dependent on this person for the longest time, and now this person is not reacting the way you expect them to react, and you are going to long for them. So a lot of longing I do see. You are going to heal, but I do not see you coming together to one point. Like, you'll try to balance things out, but I do not feel like this month you are going to be on the same page. Because if you pay attention to this card, you pay attention to this card, is that you're trying to find balance, you're trying to move inwards instead of outwards. You're trying to see if there is maybe something you can improve in yourself. You already know that the other person needs to change, but also at the same time you want to see if there is something else you can improve in yourself. And with this card, with this lady staring into the mirror, it's sort of giving a similar vibe, where you kind of see your reflection. You want to see for life, or the situation for what it is. Let's see from Love Oracle what sort of messages I have. The first card I have for you is Flirt. Remember when I said there is going to be some kind of texting because you're going to be staying up at night? Well, the Flirt card has come up, so that seems to be true for some of you. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. The next card that I have for you guys is Wedding. So some of you might be getting married, might be moving in together, because this card has come up. And yeah, well, it does make sense. There could be a situation in a sense, because this card has come up, right? So either you have been divorced in the past, or you have had trust issues in the past, but moving forward, I think with this person that you have on your mind, things can move ahead, but there is a very strong energy of being dependent on them. So make sure you are able to figure out your own identity while being in this relationship. um, I think that's all for now.